I just got done with a brand photo shoot locally in Spring Lake, close to where I live. And here's a little something that I wanted to share with you that me and the photographer were talking about. She complimented me and said, you know, you're one of the few people that has such a successful business that when I do their photo shoots, you're always so authentic. You're always, you know, in your own power, and you're always shining through the way you are. You're not pretentious or showing up phony. This made me realize how important it is to be authentic. You know, I went to my brand photo shoot in a beautiful blouse. I have my favorite jeans on, a pair of my favorite shoes, one of my favorite necklaces. Now, what does that mean? It means that it's so important when you are showing up for business in your marketing, in your brand, and as the person you are, right? Your personal brand, that you show up authentically. Because guess what, everybody? No one likes to do business with a phony, and no one likes to do business with someone who really doesn't show up in their energy and in their body and in their soul the way they do every day. So here's my message to you. Thanks to Pix by Squared for these great photos today. And remember, be true to yourself, show up authentic, and be the brilliant soul that you are.